components required for this project are breadboard, Arduino, LCD screen, I2C module, fingerprint module, buzzer, servo motor, jumper wires, LED lights. The procedure to do this project are this. I have connected the LCD screen and ITC module I have soldered, and these have to be connected to Arduino and breadboard, and another buzzer also same. These have to be connected to Arduino UNO and also the breadboard. Fingerprint module is negative. These yellow and green wires are connected to the Arduino, and black and red are connected to the breadboard. The servo motor is connected to with the help of a red wire. This is connected to the breadboard. LEDs are red and green. Red means the door is closed. Green means the door is opened. And we need to connect with the help of laptop. Then it is worked. The working model of this project is, now we are connecting the cable wire to the laptop. Then it starts working. I enrolled my fingerprint to this project. When I enroll my finger on this, then the green light glows. Then the door will open. When red light glows, then door will close. When I enroll my finger on this, then door will open. When I not enroll this, the door will lock. The advantages of this project are, the problem with door locks is that these are easily replicated and they can be easily picked even using basic tools. On the other hand, fingerprint door locks don't have only keys and we access your own unique fingerprint to grant into the building.
The disadvantages of this project is, may not work, must scan everyone's fingerprint, not great for visitors, not ideal for gates.
In conclusion, the objective of this project was achieved successfully, which is to create a circuit which can scan or read a fingerprint. Thank you for Atal Marathon. Thank you for school management.
Thank you for teachers for giving this opportunity.